Shirkoak Park is situated in the Weald of Kent and close to the beautiful village of Woodchurch. This park is set in rolling countryside, so really is the place to settle down and enjoy your retirement. Less than a mile away in Woodchurch village, there are 2 public houses serving hot and cold food daily. This village has all the local amenities, including a post office, farm shop, small general store, garage and a doctor's surgery. The county town of Ashford is not far away, and there is a bus stop at the entrance to the park, making it convenient to travel to local villages and markets. If you want to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and enjoy peace and tranquility, Shirkoak Park is the perfect place for you. It provides both an idyllic place to relax and enjoy life and a fantastic investment opportunity. Here you can make the most of your life and enjoy the golden years of your retirement. Designed for the over 50s, Wyldecrest Parks are for those who are semi-retired or retired and would like to live in a peaceful and